welcome back to Hungry Halima. Today I'll be showing you how to make Afghan Firni, which is basically pudding. Hopefully you guys can make this dish for your loved ones or when they're able to come over after the pandemic. And yeah, I'll give you a closer look at the ingredients and everything. Alright, so I'm going to be starting to mix my Firni. Usually what people do is put it on top of the stove and then start their mixing. But I like to put it in a separate bowl first. So okay, so when you know you mixed enough to see that foam on top, just put it into your pot. So my cardamom goes into. So the key is to continuously mix it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Do put it on medium heat. So gradually put up your heat a little bit more. So like say if it's from 1 to 10 and you are on 5 this entire time, go up to 8 and let the heat do its magic. You're going to take your pot of Firni, just kind of pour it inside. As you can see, we got no burning of milk because you'll get that if you do leave your pot running and you're not stirring.